Hi, this is Kyle with Do It Tennis, and today we're looking at the Wilson Capri Tennis Tote Bag. So we'll take a look at some of the features on the outside and then move on to the inside. So on the front side of the bag, it does have a small little pocket here. It opens up, you can fit some small items here, loose items and it zips up so you won't have to worry about losing them. But a small compartment, but the larger compartment on this outside is this one, which is meant for your tennis rackets. So it opens up on the side so your rackets are gonna come off to the side outward. You can fit 2 rackets in this compartment nice and comfortably. Any more rackets you might wanna have to store in the main compartment of the bag. But on the outside, you're gonna definitely be able to get 2 rackets in here to swing over your shoulder. So we'll move on to the back side of the bag now, and there is only one small compartment. It zips open just like the front, same size, and you can fit a few small items in there, not much though. Up on the bag, these straps are nice leather straps. You can strap them in together, or there's also a carabiner on one of them, which you can use this when you go to the tennis courts. So you can hook your bag to the fence. That way you never have to worry about putting it down on the ground, getting it dirty. You can hook it up and always have it within reach. So that's a cool feature that Wilson has added to their bag. We'll go ahead and open it up and show you the inside compartment. So it's a very large bag, you can fit tons of stuff in here. All you ladies, everything you need, you can fit it in this bag. So we'll open it up so you can see on the inside. There are some compartments here only on the one side. Small zip for some personal items that you really don't want to lose. And then this actually Velcro pops open, so there's another large little pouch there. But also some spaces for other small things in each of these. Also a nice little compartment you could put maybe a can of tennis balls in there or a water bottle. That way you don't have to worry about having them roll around at the bottom of your bag. Another great thing is that it does feature an additional large strap, which is removable and adjustable. You can take off, hook onto your bag if you want to wear it a lot lower, not just have the straps. So that function is there too. Also included in the bag is a smaller little wallet size bag. So you can keep your money in here or your beauty products, whether you're going to the bathroom, you have all your makeup. A smaller bag is included so you can take this with you when you're making those bathroom breaks. But it is a very large bag. You can keep everything you want in here. Great thing is once you get to the top, it does zip completely close. That way you won't have to worry about losing any items. It will zip close and kind of keep everything concealed when you need it to be. So this is the Wilson Capri Tennis Tote Bag, and you can find it at Do It Tennis.